This demo will walk through the steps for processing an ACH payment in Paya Connect. To begin, select Contacts, choose the customer that you would like to process the transaction for, and click the link for Charge Contact. On this screen, from the Payment Method drop-down, select the option for New Account. For Deposit Account, change that to ACH. Transaction type will remain as debit. Enter the amount of the transaction. You have the option here to update the account type and whether it's a business or personal account. Enter the name, enter the routing number, and enter the account number. You are also able to fill out any of these additional fields for any other information that you would like to track. Once you are completed, select the button at the bottom for Process Transaction. This will open the screen for Transaction Detail, where you can review everything that you just input. Here you also have the option to email the receipt or print the receipt, or even void the transaction. If you're complete, you can select Close.